How you doing, Miss Kelly? It's Eric again. I just rode with you. So I just wanted to show you what I ended up finding here. So this is a brand new bottle of the trans fluid, which should be in your vehicle. So I dabbed it right there. So that's that red color I was talking about, and that's what we pulled out of yours. So I actually have that's the sample. So it's pretty dark, and then this is actually your the drain plug here. This right here. So this Now that is actually kind of normal, and what that is just the little tiny shavings and particulates that happen after the heating of trans fluid and the wearing of gears, because that is actually a magnet, but that's your drain bolt. So that's just what I wanted to show you, so I think this will work, and we'll be done here shortly, and I appreciate your time.